So after months and months of issues with Firestick streaming devices, finally something good is coming to your device. So it's a streaming app with a difference, and I'm going to go into that in a second. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure you are hitting that follow button. Make sure you are sharing the video if you enjoy it when we get to it. And make sure you are checking out the rest of my videos if you want to stay up to date. If you are looking for streaming apps, more and more streaming apps which work, make sure you install FireSend. Before we get on to what we're talking about, make sure you install FireSend from the App Store. So just search FireSend. FireSend, install it, and then if you check out the rest of my videos, you will see the codes you can put in there for the apps you are looking for. Or you can just ask in the comments. So what are we talking today? So this streaming app is slightly different because it's not streaming movies, it's not streaming TV, and it's not come to all devices. But it's a brilliant one because actually it's a great app and it works very well. Some of you will have it on NVIDIA Shields already because obviously it's pretty much built for them. It's the NVIDIA GeForce NOW app. And it's released on, depending on when you're watching this video, the 12th of February. And it is forced to certain models of Fire TV. So depending on what model you have, whether you have a Firestick 4K Max, Firestick 4K Max Gen 1 and Gen 2, and Firestick 4K Plus, which is pretty much just the Firestick 4K, you should have it on. Currently it hasn't come to the cubes, which I find quite interesting, but it is due to come, I would have thought, to the cubes because they are powerful enough to run it, but most likely be the Cube 3. Some of the older versions of Firesticks will not have it, and what GeForce Now is, let me just load into it. So what it is, there's a free tier and there obviously is paid tiers for it, and it is based around cloud gaming. So you can pretty much play all your NVIDIA Shield, your GeForce games, but the top games, and you can play it on your Firestick now. I will show you in a minute how you can connect a remote as well, or a game controller, but not just GeForce Now stuff. If you click on My Library, you can connect your Battle.net account. Could have things like as simple as even as Call of Duty. Epic Games, which are things like Fortnite. Steam has so many great games, which is one of my favourites. I will be adding in Steam because that's your PC games, and I'll be adding that, which is great. So you can take it on holiday for your cloud gaming when you're not in the building as well. So you can be away and you've got all access to your gaming. So I'm going to set this up later before I go away for a few days next week. So the free tier gives you, it's an ad-based tier pretty much. So you get to play but with ads, or you can have a look at paying if you want to. But I'll give it a go. You've got free-to-play games here. Loads of them in there. Rocket League is probably one of the most popular games out these days. Counter-Strike, my son loves it. Let's have a look more in the free too. Here we go, Seal. So more games in the free-to-play. Call of Duty again. All that. So how this works is cloud-based gaming. Cloud-based gaming works, your device itself is running the app, and it streams the cloud-based games from an online server. So you don't need the hardware like you would with a, say, an Xbox or a PlayStation. You don't need the hardware. The hardware is there, obviously, just to display the app and the screen and the stream. But the hardware, as in what you'll need here, is cloud gaming, so it streams the game over. You will get a little bit of lag. Minimalistic, though. You know, as long as you've got a good internet system with good ping, good bandwidth, you'll be able to play no problem. So let's have a look at what's in my library. I've just got something random in there. I'm going to click it. So we can click play on it and I'll show you how it works. This game requires a gamepad to connect. So the easiest way to connect a gamepad is if you go to your settings. So in here, you can go to remotes and Bluetooth devices. Okay, game controllers. Xbox wireless controller is my go-to. That's what I would add on here. I've got one right here. So you can click it. So there we go. We are pairing. We can connect the Xbox wireless controller. We are now controlled. And now as you'll see, I'm controlling my Fire TV device with my Xbox controller. So now when we go into the game, into GeForce Now, we can play it with that. Nice and simple, nice and easy. You can add other Bluetooth devices, depends what you have in your house. Again, seems a bit pointless connecting an Xbox controller to it when I have an Xbox, but if you're going to be taking it on holiday, things like that, it's worthwhile. Brilliant. So, hopefully you like that one. Give it a go. Have a look if you like it. Even if you're not into games, you know, maybe not for you, but sometimes it's good to try out different things. Because cloud gaming is going to be the way forward for a lot of gamings in the future. And a lot of gaming, they've just got to get certain bits right, but it's getting better and better all the time. So, if you want to play good games and make the most out of your Firestick, this is a must. So, I've been Doc Squiffy, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.